Hey you guys, so I wanted to show up and tell you guys about how beautiful the connection with the cosmic world is very is contagious, and it is so fascinating and it's so beautiful how we are anchoring the 5D, and how real it is that we are all in this cosmic web, right? And when one of our brothers or sisters is needing to take time for themselves, one of our brothers and sisters rise up, right? And it's always putting out the word, that, brings us closer and closer to each other, right? We are all doing individual work, but as a collective, we are rising up. And it shows so much of effort and how much love is put into this that it intensifies. I was reading something that, the energies, everything is always changeable. Energy is an even flow. So you are not able to kind of, keep it for yourself, right? It's an even flow. It's an infinite symbol, right? And the energies are more, I would say, more empowered, more potent, but the core of these energies is love, infinite love and unconditional love that we are having for ourselves and for others, and as for a collective and for all, for oneness, for the universe, for our cosmic life, for everything that is in God's creation. Right, so I wanted to share with you guys that even if, say, oh my God, I have to put this out, that's an old way of thinking. No, we are seeing that, we are needing, when it's time for us to take time for ourselves, to recharge, to re-energize, to become whole, to be neutral. We have our brothers and sisters that step up to the plate and have that voice that needs to be heard, right? We are all a source of light, and we are the beacons, and we carry that proudly, to show that, yes, possibility, miracles, blessings are every day, and, not only once a day, but multiple times. Like I said, we are in a new era that, wow, time is not even in the in the mix. It's all about evolution with oneself and with others. When you evolve within yourself, you see your world, your outer world, change in a way that you have always hoped for, right? But now this time, you are not just hoping for it. It is actually becoming reality. Yes, see yourself and feel yourself and smell it, that you are making your reality come true. Everything is coming in. Everything is working for your higher purpose and for your highest good. So that's the message that I wanted to share with you guys. And as, we are ascending Mother Gaia, give her props, let her purge, let her exist with oneness with oneself as well, that it's okay for her to purge just like us. We need to release, so the elementals are with us. So very happy to have all of us in all, the four corners. It's very, very intriguing and very beautiful and very special that we are all seeing this beautiful miracle come to fruition. So I wanted to share that with you guys. namaste, share my work. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing, because others might resonate with this, and they might need some clarity, and this will help them to move forward, to have a positive vibe, to have a positive way of thinking when things don't seem to feel that they are not going their way, right? There's always a solution. There's always time to shine, and our time to shine is now.